About this item's sturdy steel material, our step ladder has been approved by TÜV with GS certificate for quality and safety of product. The step ladder is designed with sturdy steel material and an oversized top platform that offers heel-to-toe foot support, eliminating foot pain and fatigue and providing the user a completely stable, comfortable place to stand while you are working. The safe lock system ensures sturdiness while unfolding the ladder to stand for work or sit for rest. Size of step ladder, open dimensions, 137.8 h x 34 l x 18.5 w, folded dimensions, 55.5 h x 1.2 l x 18.5 w. The standing platform size, 11.81 l x 7.87 w. Net weight, 17.5 pounds, maximum load, 330 pounds. Our 4-step ladder comes fully assembled for good protection. Non-slip design, non-slip rubber hand grip, doesn't restrain the hand, making the stepping stool easy to climb and carry. Oversized pedals with non-slip rubber pattern protect